Welcome back to ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today the topic is board specimen question paper of subject biology for semester first. The biology paper has been released by the council some days ago, and the total mark of the biology paper is 40 and the time allowed 1 hour. In this 1 hour, you should also read your question time. Reading time is also included in 1 hour. No separate time is given for reading like earlier paper. All questions are compulsory. It means all questions should be attempted. And the paper is divided into section. The section first is 15 marks. Now we will study the solution of this board discussion paper. The question 1. The question 1. Name the following by choosing the correct option. The correct option should be chosen after reading every question which has part. Question 1 has many parts A, B, C and so on. The question 1 first. Question 1A. The pair of corresponding chromosomes of the same shape and same size, but one each parent. The one each parent means one chromosome from father and one chromosome from mother. Then it is the homologous chromosome. Homologous chromosome. Don't be confused. Autosome is not correct answer, because autosome is not necessary to from different parent. Sex chromosome is also not correct answer, because sex chromosome is not same in shape. The S chromosome is larger and Y is smaller, so it is also wrong. And analogous chromosome is also wrong, because it is from one parent. And your question pair of corresponding chromosome of same shape and same size but different parent is known as homologous chromosome, so it is the correct option. The second point question, the factor that does not affect the rate of transpiration. You know that what is transpiration? The transpiration is the rate. The transpiration is the process in which the water is evaporated from stomata in the leaf. So the intensity of light, it is the affected, and so it is not answer, because intensity of light affected the rate of transpiration, so it is not. Velocity of wind is also affected, so it is not affect. This does not affect the transpiration. Carbon dioxide, it is also affected. The concentration of carbon dioxide also affects the rate of transpiration, but the concentration of oxygen does not affect the rate of transpiration, so the correct option is oxygen. Oxygen is correct. Now the question C. Movement of molecule of substance from high concentration to low concentration when they are in direct contact, I mean without semi-permeable membrane, then it is known as diffusion, because in diffusion there is direct contact without semi-permeable membrane. And this is not your answer, endoosmosis, because it requires semi-permeable membrane. Imbibition is a phenomena of surface attraction, and active transport is using energy. So these are not question, and only diffusion is your answer. So the correct option is diffusion. C. Now the question number D. The complex molecule consisting of a DNA strand and a core of histone. You know that there are 8 histone cores surrounded the DNA. They surrounded the DNA, and the correct answer is nucleosome. Don't be confused. The centrosome is not correct, and nucleotide is also not correct because it is the repeating component and so it is not your answer. Chromosome is also not correct because it is chromatin fiber. Only nucleosome of 8 histones surrounded that DNA molecule, so nucleosome is the correct option. E. The solvent used to dissolve the chlorophyll pigment while testing a leaf for the star. It is in your chapter photosynthesis. You have read the methylated spirit. Methylated spirit is used for dissolve the chlorophyll before starting any experiment. So the methylated spirit is the correct option of question E. The question 1 has been completed, which has the part and section A, B, C, D and E. Now we will start the question 2. The question 2, complete the following statement by choosing the appropriate option for each blank. First question, question 2. A. During meiosis, how many daughter cells form? You have know that during meiosis, 4 daughter cells have been formed. Although the step of meiosis is not in your ICSE syllabus, but the question that how many daughter cell form is in your syllabus. So in meiosis, only 4 daughter cells are formed. But in case of mitosis, the 2 daughter cell form, it is in mitosis, and 8 is not answer and 6 is also not answer. The question B of part B of question 2. Wooden doors swell up during the rainy season. Due to what is the reason that wooden door swell up? We know that the imbibition is the process the surface attraction from dead cell. So the correct option of 2B is third. Osmosis is not your answer because osmosis requires the semi-permeable membrane and diffusion is only for high concentration to low concentration and transpiration is the separate process. It is not also your correct option. So only imbibition is correct answer. The definition of imbibition is the surface attraction, surface absorption of dead plant cell is known as imbibition. So the door swell up in rainy season due to action of imbibition. The next question C. The semi-permeable membrane in a plant cell. The semi-permeable membrane in a plant cell is known as cell membrane. The cell membrane, you know that this is the cell and in plant there is an outer boundary known as cell wall, but the inner boundary is known as cell membrane. And this cell membrane is semi-permeable membrane in plant cell. This is the nucleus and this is the cytoplasm. So the semi-permeable membrane is only cell membrane, which is just below the cell wall. The next question D. The guttation take place through. You know that the guttation is take place not from stomata because transpiration done. The lead cell, it is found in stem. It is not your answer. And cuticle, it is a cover on the leaf to reduce the transpiration. It is not your answer. So the hydathoid is correct option. Hydathoid, the correct option, because the leaf at morning and at evening there is a hole known as hydathoid at the margin of leaf, and in morning and evening the water come out from the margin of this hole is tiny hole known as hydathoid. This is known as hydathoid. and this process is known as guttation. A. Plant with variegated leaf is only the correct option is coleus. The coleus is the correct option with variegated leaf, and this is not, lotus is not in your correct option, people is also not in correct option, and the mango is not in correct option, because people, mango and lotus had reticulate venation. Reticulate venation. Reticulate means the in not fixed part, and while the coleus has the fixed parallel arrangement, and you can turn it in parallel combination. The question 3. In the question 3, choose the correct answer from each of the 4 options given below. The correct option. Question number 1. The pressure exerted by the cell content on the cell wall. Cell content on the cell wall is Turgor pressure. Turgor pressure. There is a cell, and if the osmosis occur, endoosmosis, then due to endoosmosis, water is as much as possible within the cell, and the cell component push the cell membrane to outside, and this is known as Turgor pressure. This is known as Turgor pressure, because the component of cell, nucleus, cytoplasm, and other component of the cell push the cell membrane outside if the endoosmosis occur, and cell absorb the water at maximum level, then it is want to trend to outside, and this is known as Turgor pressure. It does not known as partial pressure. It is the question of chemistry, and it does not wall pressure, because wall pressure is just Newton's third law. Wall also exerted pressure on the component. Wall of the cell also exert pressure on the component, then it is known as wall pressure. But the question is pressure exerted by cell content on the cell wall. Cell content on the cell wall, not cell wall on the content. So it is known as Turgor pressure. The question number B. Cell component visible only during cell division. The cell division during, you know that only cell division occur at nucleus, and in nucleus there is a nucleoplasm, and within it this is known as nucleolus, and this is the cell. And in nucleoplasm there is a chromatin fiber which is not visible, but it becomes dense and coiled during cell division, and then it is known as chromosome. So the correct option is chromosome. Question 3b, the correct option is chromosome. Chromoplast is not your answer, because it is very small and not visible during cell division. Chromatin fiber also not visible before cell division. Don't be confused. The chromatin fiber become chromosome in cell division when chromatin fiber become dense, and this is changed into chromosome. So the correct option is chromosome, not chromatin. Centriole is also not visible, because it is found only in animal cell. So these are not question, only chromosome is clear. Question number C. Marine fish when placed under tap water, but because why the marine fish, if there is a tank and water is fresh water is here, and if a fish is putting in the tap in this fresh water which is marine, due to marine the concentration of fish cell is high, and the fresh concentration is low, and the body of the fish is semi-permeable membrane. The body of fish is semi-permeable membrane. The marine fish has high concentration due to salt, and the fresh water is very low concentration, and by the rule of osmosis the low concentration to high concentration movement occur. Movement from low to high, and there is more and more water input in the body of fish, and the fish will be lost and burst. So the reason of this is endoosmosis. Endoosmosis. The question number C. Endoosmosis occur. Exoosmosis not occur, because exoosmosis means from fish to outside. It is not, diffusion is not also occur, because diffusion is the process without permeable membrane. Plasmolysis is not occur, because plasmolysis is the shrinkage of protoplasm. Plasmolysis is the shrinkage of protoplasm, and it is not the correct answer. The question number D. The site of dark reaction of photosynthesis. The first of all, we should study the structure of chloroplast, and we know that there are thylakoid and stroma is filled as a ground substance. Stroma is filled, and the light reaction occur at thylakoid, while dark reaction occur at stroma. So the correct option is the stroma. Grana is used the thylakoid. Grana or thylakoid, it is the light reaction place. The single is known as thylakoid, and the group is known as grana. And there is the site of light reaction. Fresh is the joint of two granum, and the stroma is the ground substance where dark reaction take place. So the correct option is stroma. The question number next. Stoma is also not, because the stoma is the stomata part, and it is not your answer. The question number E. Is alternative form of the same gene occupying the same position on homologous chromosome. Is chromatid? No, because chromatid is the part of chromosome, and it is not a part of gene. Chromatid is something other than gene, because this is chromatid, and this is fully chromosome of two chromosomes. Allele is our answer. The allele is our answer, because allele is the form of alternative gene, alternative pair of gene. Autosome is not correct, centromere is not correct, because all character found in two genes either express or not express. Just it is known as allele. If alternative form, if you take the example of P, then it will be a tall or dwarf. There are two allele, tall or dwarf. So it is known as allele. The section second is 15 mark question paper. Question 4. Explain the following term. What is osmosis? The movement of water from their lower concentration to high concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Movement of water from a lower concentration to high concentration. This is the definition, but not clear. Movement of solute from their lower concentration to their, it is not possible, because solute does not move to the permeable membrane. Movement of water from their high concentration to their low concentration of semi-permeable membrane. Movement of water from their high concentration of water to the low concentration of water is semi-permeable membrane. So the fourth A has option third. Don't be confused. Some students think that movement of water from their lower concentration to the high concentration. It is true, but the question should not be contain water. Movement of lower concentration to high concentration, then this answer is correct. But if in case of water, movement of water from high concentration of water means low concentration, to their lower concentration, water means high concentration. So this option is correct, and don't be confused about this answer. This is not your answer, and understand the question clearly, and this answer is your 100% correct answer. The second question, what is photolysis? The photolysis means splitting of water molecule into hydrogen ion and oxygen in the presence of sunlight in grana. You have know that in chloroplast, the grana trap the light energy from the sun, which come in bundle known as energy bundle, and this bundle activate the thylakoid and the water molecule H plus and OH minus form, and for the splitting of water molecule into hydrogen ion and oxygen in the presence of sunlight is known as photolysis, and these OH and OH combine and form H2O. This is not the question, splitting of water molecule into hydrogen ion and oxygen in the presence of light in stroma. It is not possible because in stroma only dark reaction take place. Splitting of water molecule into hydrogen ion and oxygen in the absence of light in grana, it is also not possible because grana need light and the stroma do not need light. So these two options are not correct. Splitting of water molecule into hydrogen ion and oxygen in the absence of light in stroma, it is also not correct. For have only option first, 4B. Now the question C. The 4C. Law of segregation. The two members of a pair of factors join during the formation of gamete. This is not law. The two members of pair of factors join and the second two members of a pair of factors separate during the formation of gamete. This is the law of segregation given by Mendel. This is the law of segregation given by Mendel, that the separate during the formation of gamete, and this is also not your answer. The question D. Guttation. The guttation. What is guttation? Loss of water in the form of water droplet from the surface. No. It is not from surface. It is from tiny hole. We have discussed earlier in any question of this paper. Loss of water in the form of water droplet through stomata. No, it is known as transpiration. And from surface it is also known as transpiration. Loss of water in form of water vapor during the leaf margin. No, water vapor form, it does not support the water vapor form in leaf margin. And the loss of water in the form of water droplet along the leaf option is the correct option. D. 4 is the correct option. 4 is the correct option. And E. Active transport. The passage of water from lower to higher concentration through a cell without energy. Not correct. It is passage of ion lower to higher concentration through a cell membrane without any expenditure of energy. It is not correct. Passage of water from lower to higher concentration through a cell using energy from the cell, but it is also not correct. And the passage of ion from lower to higher concentration using energy is correct, because the active transport is only passage of ion from lower concentration to the high concentration using energy of cell is the correct answer. The select the exact location of the following: spindle fiber found between two centrioles. You know that during cell division in animal cell division there is a nucleus and there is centriole, and during cell division centriole divide and the cell plate form, and this is known as spindle fiber. And so the correct option is between two centrioles. The centrosome divide into two parts known as centriole. The centrosome in animals, it is found only in animal cell, not in plant cell. The centrosome, and during cell division it is divided into two parts, one pole and other pole, and there is a link which is known as spindle fiber between two centrioles. So the correct option of 5A is 1, and 2 and 3rd and 4th is not correct answer. The root hair is extension of cortex. You know that in the cell you know that if you cut the stem of the root, then the root stem cut and the root hair found, and this position is root hair, and this is known as epidermis, epiblema or epiblema, and this portion is known as cortex, and this is xylem and phloem, plus phloem, and the root hair extension of cortex, no, because cortex is at below, just between the xylem phloem and the epidermis. So this answer is not correct. Extension of epithelium. This is epithelium is outer side, and extension of epidermis, this is known as epidermis. So the correct option is epidermis. The correct option is known as epidermis. Epidermis is the outer covering of plant stem or root is known as epidermis. Sometimes it is also known as epiblema. C. The stomata. Stomata is found in the plant leaf, more and upper of dorsoventral leaf. More the upper, the more stomata does not found in the upper. So question is wrong. More on the lower surface of the dorsoventral leaf. More on the lower surface on the dorsoventral leaf. It is not both upper and lower surface of dorsoventral leaf. The stomata is found both upper and lower surface of dorsiventral leaf. The correct option is more on the lower surface. Because if in an experiment, if this is the upper surface and this is the lower surface, and if you put the cobalt chloride paper on upper surface and lower surface, then you show that the cobalt chloride paper turn pink from lower surface, which prove that there is more stomata in the lower surface. So the option more on lower surface, dorsoventral leaf is correct. There is more stomata than upper part of the leaf. The D, the 5D, the thylakoid, inner membrane of chloroplast. No, it is not found in chloroplast. Wall of the chloroplast, no. In the chlorophyll, in the stroma of chloroplast. Good. The correct option is in the stroma of chloroplast. You know that this is the chloroplast and this is the stroma, and thylakoid is found. So the correct option is 4. And in E, In E, the palisade parenchyma. In E, the palisade parenchyma between upper and lower epidermis of dicot leaf. 5E, upper epidermis and lower epidermis. This is known as upper epidermis and this is known as lower epidermis, and there is a stomata, and this is the palisade tissue. This is the spongy tissue or palisade tissue, and between the upper and lower epidermis of dicot, it is also correct, but we should find the most correct answer between the upper epidermis and spongy parenchyma. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer between upper epidermis and spongy parenchyma. Upper epidermis and this is the spongy parenchyma. Spongy parenchyma, and this is known as the palisade tissue which has chlorophyll. So the correct option is 2. Question number 6. State the function. The function of stroma. The function of stroma is the site of light independent phase of photosynthesis. Stroma. Stroma is the ground substance found in the chloroplast. Stroma is the ground substance found in the chloroplast and the site of light independent phase of photosynthesis. Light do not require in the photosynthesis of this phase. In stroma, dark reaction occur. B. The guard cell. The guard cell regulate the closing of stomata. Regulate opening and closing of stomata. Opening and closing. This is the correct option. This is the correct option because guard cell of the guard cell of any stomata is made of two guard cell, and these guard cell have thicker on inner and outer is thinner and thicker at this position, and due to formation of chloroplast the concentration of guard cell become high. Due to the formation of chloroplast the concentration of guard cell become high, so the region of lower concentration water come to the guard cell and guard cell become turgor and swell up outside because the inner part is thick and open the stomata. So the regulate the opening and closing of stomata, guard cell, by the action of photosynthesis and increasing the concentration. While some scientists think that the potassium ion is responsible for regulate opening and closing of stomata, but there the correct option is regulate opening and closing of stomata. 6B, the correct option. Xylem is the translocation of food from leaf to the other part of the plant. No, it is the work of the phloem. So the C is not correct option. C is not correct option. The conduction of food. Xylem do not conduct the food. Conduction of water and food. It is not only water. Xylem conduct water and mineral. Conduction of water and mineral from the root to other part of the plant. Option 4 is correct. Option 4 is correct because in xylem this is the cell and there is xylem at center. Xylem and phloem is outside, and xylem take the water from the root by absorption, and water plus mineral take the water and mineral and ascend the sap, and the work of xylem is conduction of water as well as mineral from root to other part of the plant. Is the correct option 4. The chromosome. You know the chromosome is found in the nucleosome, in the nucleus. Chromatin in the form of chromatin fiber, and the chromosome the carrier of hairy DT. The question number 6D, the chromosome carrier of heredity, and it is the controlling center of cell, no, and the site of various chemical reaction, no, intracellular digestion, no. Chromosome is responsible for carrier of heredity because you know that the chromosome joined at centromere, and this is known as chromatid. The part of the chromosome is known as chromatid and joined at place of centromere, and at this place there is a group of gene, and which gene contain DNA and RNA, and DNA carry the heredity character. It means, but there is no option in DNA, so DNA and RNA combined known as genes. So carrier of heredity, chromosome is the carrier of heredity. 6D. Now the question E, hydrothode. The hydrothode, you all know that it is present on the margin of leaf, and at morning and at evening the water droplet come out due to excessive absorption and less transpiration. The water is forced to leak out from the hole, and this hole is known as hydrothode. So it is helping in the water out, and this process is known as guttation. Hydrothode is helping guttation. Section 3rd. Section 3rd is 10 mark, and the question 7 given below diagram representing a stage during the mitotic cell division. Answer question follow. Identify the stage. You know that in prophase there are 4 stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In prophase the chromosomes are distributed here and there, and in metaphase distributed at center. At anaphase half to the opposite pole, half and half, and at telophase at the pole. So it is prophase because it is not equally distributed, and it is the prophase. Stage is prophase. Identify the stage is prophase, not telophase, and because at telophase it is at the center of at the opposite pole, and at metaphase is at the center, and at anaphase from center 50% on toward this pole and 50% toward two pole, and equally, but it is not, so it is only the prophase. And the question B, the label, the part mark X. What is X? X is centromere of chromosome. Centromere. You know that if this is the chromosome, then this is known as chromatid. This is chromatid, and this attachment is known as centromere. This is the part of chromosome. Chromosome is divided into two sections, centromere and chromatid. So it is the centromere. Name the stage that follow one. So here, name the stage that follow the one. So here, it is not interphase, it is also not anaphase, and it is not found in telophase. It is only found in metaphase, because during metaphase the nucleus nuclear membrane disappear, and the chromatin fiber become dense, and in prophase it start moving to the center, and at metaphase the 50% chromosome is start moving but attached to center of the equator, and at equator it is attached to centromere, and chromatid is opposite pole. The part of chromatid is opposite pole toward, and so it is the correct answer is metaphase. During metaphase the chromosome is situated at the equator and joined by the centromere. What is the diploid number of chromosome in diagram? Diploid number of chromosome. In the diagram there is 1, 2, 3 and 4 chromosome. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chromosome. So the diploid number of chromosome is 4. Mention one important feature of this stage. The important feature of this stage, the nucleolus and nuclear membrane disappear. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappear. So nucleolus reappear? No. Nucleolus disappear. Nucleolus before starting prophase. In prophase, nucleolus and nuclear membrane disappear. Nucleolus reappear? No, it is not wrong. It is not true. Nuclear membrane reappear. Nuclear membrane reappear. It is in telophase, but nuclear membrane disappear. Nuclear membrane disappear. Chromosome align at the equator. No, nuclear membrane disappear. Nuclear membrane disappear is the correct option. Question 8. Observe the figure and answer the question. Identify the cell organelle. This is the mitochondria? No. Lysosome? No. This is the ribosome? No. This is the chloroplast? Yes. It is the structure of chloroplast. Label the part A, B, C. Label the part A, B, C. The A is stroma. The A is stroma and B is granum. B is granum and C is thylakoid. Thylakoid. Stroma, granum, thylakoid. Stroma, A stroma, B granum, C thylakoid. Stroma, granum, thylakoid. Stroma, granum, thylakoid. One is correct? No. Stroma, granum, thylakoid. Stroma, granum, thylakoid. All option is incorrect. No any option is correct. This is wrong question and the correct answer is A. Stroma, A stroma and B granum, B granum, B granum and C thylakoid. C thylakoid. This option is not available in question paper, but perhaps the correct option is this, if there is a option, and if no option, then all option is wrong. The unit of light absorbed by chlorophyll. The unit of light. The light come always in the bundle which is known as photon. Photon, not proton. Proton is a component of atom. Not electron, component of atom, not neutron. Photon. Photon is a bundle of energy which is always come into the group and it is have a minimum amount of energy and found in only multiple. Photon, if you reaching from a stair, then you will either step 1 step or 2 step or 3 step or 4 step, not 1.5, not 2.7, not 3.9. Always step 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, and such the group of energy is known as photon. Always come in bundle. Always come in bundle like H, 2H, 3H, 4H and something. So the photon is the correct answer. The question paper has been solved totally, and if you feel any difficulty, please comment us, and for finding the solution of any famous publication like Kansai Selina, Goel Brother, Srijan publication, please comment us and visit iccschelp.com to get the solution. Thank you.